What is going on, you guys? Ozzy here, back with another video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day as always. Today we're gonna do something funny for a car meet. Yes, we're gonna hit a car meet. As you guys know, Halloween is coming up, so everyone dresses up. And today we're gonna go to a cars and costume, and we're gonna do something funny. We're gonna roll up in this dinosaur. We're gonna roll up in this dinosaur costume. It's an inflatable one. So what we're pretty much gonna do is we're gonna take the roof off my car, because you can't take out the roof off. Inflate this and pretty much just drive into the car meet, see if I could get any reactions, or I don't know. So we'll see what happens. Beat the light because it's getting dark over here, but that's pretty much what my car looks like without the roof. I'm gonna throw this costume on right now. 1, 2, and 3. Boom! This is what the damn costume looks like. I forgot to have the mic on so you guys can probably hear the little I don't know what to call this, like the air supply that helps blow this thing up, but I do have the arms. Wait, I mean not the arms, the hands. Let's see. Where are they? Oh, they're in here. To finish the costume, here we go. Look at that. I'm gonna be driving with this shit. Not for long. But yeah, this is what the costume looks like. All right, this is pretty much what the costume looks like now, with the dinosaur costume on. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to drive with it. I can see. It does not block my vision. I can see my rear view mirror. I can see the whole windshield. But I'm still skeptical about this. Test drive? Okay, we're gonna test drive this shit. Let's go do this. Let's go do this. Let's wait for this car. See me rolling, they hating. All right, let's get out of this shit. This is how we're gonna go right now. I'm not gonna put the full thing on yet. We're gonna drive to the actual meet, and then we're gonna pull over somewhere like down the street, so I could put it like over and put it on. And yeah, look at this fool. That's how he's gonna go to the meet. Fucking guy.
Oh, if I hit somebody, I'm gonna blame it on the mask. I can't see shit.
No, I can't see shit. Well, I can see a little bit, but you know, I'll have her guiding me.
Look, look.
No.
Okay, let's go.
Down.
All right, you guys, we're gonna head out. We were just here regrouping. It was somewhere, I don't know where it was, but we're here regrouping, and we're gonna go to the actual meet now. I don't know how this is gonna play out. I hope it's funny. If not, then oh well. I'm doing it for the fucks of it. Oh well. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get to the meet. All right, you guys, we are here. I don't know if they're gonna let us in or not, bruh, cause I don't know. We tried to go in through the front, like where I guess the VIP section is at, and they're not really letting us. I wish you guys could see how it looks in here. I look goofy. People are already taking pictures of me though. You could see a couple people actually wearing a costume. I hope no one tries to pop me.
Imagine.
That would be foul, bruh. If someone actually pops my shit, I'm gonna be mad. Everyone's laughing, bruh. I'm gonna do a spin back. I'm gonna see if they let me in. All right, we made it to the meet. I wasn't cool enough to park in there. I don't have an exotic, or I don't know. I guess that's exotic parking only. Surprisingly, they have vendors here this time. They have Boyer, you guys know, that's Chris's PPF brand. And they have a few more in the back. Yeah, we're gonna check it out and see what's up. They have music, so I don't know how much of this I'll be able to record. But yeah, we're back at 7-Eleven, infamous 7-Eleven. We got Jay in the house. I was supposed to pre-meet with him, but I don't know what happened, to be honest. Oh, we have an Aventador? Oh my god. Bro, we have Chris's cars here. Look at this. Revuelto with the gold tint. Jeez. All right, this is my current situation right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me, the music is so loud, and then you got people revving. I don't know. It's kind of a shit show. Yeah. You got hella supercars. So many cars here, bro. I wouldn't be surprised if this shit gets shut down in like less than 30 minutes. So many people are here. This is funny. What is that? What's up, bro? Fuck. I'm in the 750 with this damn costume. I asked Chris if I could sit in it. He kindly said yes, thankfully. I'm glad. Chris is a really chill person. Chill person, bro. I'm so glad he's really chill. Literally letting me sit in a 750 out of carmeet. Is this thing on? Oh my god. Wait, did I just smash my tail? I hope I didn't. Bro, this is hilarious. No.
So I'll teach you. So there's
It needs a
lever right there. The one in front of the window. Pull that one.
Okay, yeah.
And then push up.
I'm just missing the
I can
voyeur.
do it for you, but
I'm just missing the. All right.
stay very still.
Check. Once again, please keep up with the door. Once again, please
I'm gonna put this shit away. I sat in the 750. Gonna put this thing away because it's very uncomfortable to walk around with. It's like it pulls my joggers down. I don't know how to explain it, but every time I go to like pull the feet down, it pulls my my joggers down. I feel like I'm taking them off, but yeah, I'm gonna put it away and then I'm gonna continue with the rest of the meat. So yeah, bro, I see Patrick. Look at this, bro. Patrick in the house. Bro, this meat's so packed. Oh, back here we have another 720. Oh, actually, it's 720S, sorry. I was about to say 750, but got a green 720F. Love that interior. The interior's badass. And we have Voodoo's back there. Damn. I like the green on this.
Interesting.
Yeah. Damn. Right here we have Lennon's car, you know, the blacked out M3 with the missing headlight. You guys already know this thing. This is the one I was sitting at in Cars and Copters. It's just fucking clean with the top exit exhaust. Damn. Fast boy shit. This is that fast boy shit right there. Is this like a Beamer thing where they all leave like their headlights on? Does that not drain battery? Am I tripping? Does that not drain battery? Look at this pink car right here. With this pink skeleton in the driver's seat too. Damn. Look, babe, another one here. With the pink headlights on HREs. One day. Manifest it. It is low. Damn. Strictly Beamer Club. Bro, Patrick strikes back. Oh. Bro, we have another M4. Is it M4? Yeah, right? Yeah, M4 with the badass turbo. Damn. GT3, Aston Martin, big body, Audi over there in the corner. Damn. Chris is trying to leave. Oh my god. Chris is trying to leave and they won't let him leave. I feel bad for him. Bro, that Revuelto is so beautiful. I love the wheels, bro. Patrick is shopping, buying something. Well, this meat is so packed. I can't record because there's so many people and there's music. It's pretty hard to record here, to be honest. Bro, they're doing a costume contest now. Everyone who dressed up to this car event, they're gonna do I don't know what the prize is, to be honest, but yeah, they're gonna do pretty much a contest of best costume. We got, I know, I should have we got a GTR right there. We got Max's STR right here. Then we have a Slam R8 right here. I believe, I'm not sure if this is Elias's SMR, to be honest. I think it is. But then we have a R34 right here. Pretty badass. White wheels. Bro, we have Ray's new Mark IV Supra. We just copped this shit. It's badass. Oh, it's like in mint condition. My God. Wait, is it a right-hand drive as well? Oh, it is. Who's that back for the costume contest? Bro, we got Chazzy in the house. Chazzy in the house with the AirPod in. Bro, it's a disaster here. Bro, everyone is revving. Everyone. Oh. Yo. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna head out. This beat's packed. It's ugly here. I'm not gonna lie. It's fucking ugly. Hella people are revving. We got Riley right here in his R8. We got an STO right there in the front. Another McLaren. Alright, you guys, we left the meet. We're gonna call it a day right there. I'm starting to feel like shit because it's cold and I've already had allergies. But we're gonna call it a day right here. Gonna get some pho. I've never had pho at what time is it?
11:30.
11:30 at night, bro. I've never had late night pho, but pretty much gonna call it a day right there. Hope you guys enjoyed that little Halloween. Hope you guys enjoyed that little Halloween vlog. Cars and costumes. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Slay.